Hey, welcome to the Paige Family Homestead. I'm Peggy Jean, not Andy. With this CV stuff going around, I'm finding it difficult in that I can go to the store and get fresh veg, but I don't want to go and I don't want Andy to go, not just for vegetables. So I thought, what are we going to do? Duh, let's go to the pantry. So I went in and did some shopping, and what we're going to do today is make a quarantine soup.
Quarantine soup?
Quarantine. Never made it with this much dehydrated before. It's going to be an experiment for both of us. So I've got here some nice turkey broth. No, that one was a goose broth.
Oh.
Surprise.
Even better.
This one's turkey. Let's blend those birds, right?
Yep.
So to that, we've got 1 pint of, I called it bottled pork. This is back from 2018. We want the juices that are in here too. And it comes out in a big plop. So, gotta get one of Andy's man tools here.
That's right. See, everybody uses them.
Just break it up.
I'm gonna have my
Probably
name
should have waited for the meat actually, because it's cooked. So it's gonna dissipate. I might have to add another one later. We'll see. I should have held off on the meat. Look.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
I got pork on my fork. In this jar, I have a dehydrated medley for soups. We have onions, we have a little bit of carrot, some celery, I think there's a little bit of cabbage in there. Just a mix of whatever was going to wilt in the fridge. I'm only going to put in that much. In here, we have kale, bok choy, dandelion, and spinach. Don't dehydrate dandelion greens. It's okay because the flavor kind of gets killed in here, but it does turn bitter. At least for me it did. So I'm glad I didn't put a lot in there. So again, this much. Then Andy found a sale on soup beans in the freezer section about 1.5 years ago, hon.
Yes.
And I didn't want them in the freezer, so I just threw them on the dehydrator. So we have a little bean mix here for soups. And again, just this much. Here we have Andy's garden green beans. Don't they look weird, eh? Look at this.
Yeah. I didn't pick it like that.
No, you didn't. I killed it, didn't I? So I'm just going to snap them. And we're going to throw those in the soup. They're done. Now, we already had a little bit of carrot in the other jar, so I'm not going to put too much, but we do like carrots,
That's carrots?
in our soup. This is carrots.
Wow.
Looks like orange boogers, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't it?
I've done it.
Okay.
It's sure done.
And here I have dried spinach. Again, there's already a little bit in there, but a little bit in. And Andy's garden leeks.
My garden doesn't leak.
These were from last year. Still going strong. And then we have some potatoes that we dehydrated the other day. It's in the dehydrated playlist. So let's just...
Looks like chips. Like you
It
eat.
does, right? We're just going to crunch these. My hands are so bad today from arthritis. Crunching hurts. So we're just going to crunch these in. I might add a few more. I'll check the levels and everything when we get going. I'm going to stick this on low. I want it to cook for about 8 hours because I've got some butter to can today.
Ooh.
Yes, a naughty thing. Canning butter. Not corn, butter.
I know, butter. That's what I meant to say.
Why'd you say corn?
Everybody should know what I meant.
Now that you explained it. So, spoon. Give it a little stir. I'm going to wait and season it as it cooks because these flavors are just going to fill this up. That's obviously, so there's 4 cups of broth in here, 2 cups per pint. That's not going to be enough.
No, I don't think so.
I'm going to add me some filtered water because we don't like city water. I've got 8 cups in here. I'm not using it all. Let's see what we want. 4 cups so far. Oh my God, it smells good already.
You know what you should do? Make little meatballs, throw it in there. Ooh, yeah.
With the pork?
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to stretch this food out, dear. You can have meatball soup another day. Okay, so I've put in there 4 1/4. I know I'm gonna need a little bit more, so why not just put it in? Those vegetables are gonna. Okay, 6 cups. I'm leaving it at that for now. But oh my Lord, that goose and that turkey broth.
Nice, eh?
Up here, dear. Up here to me. The goose and turkey broth.
I was looking at you, not.
I know. Did I catch you in a dream?
I was not in a dream.
Okay, so here we have the beginnings of a beautiful soup for the end of our day, right? So stick it on to low. I'm going to cover it. And don't say it, Andy, but we're going to set it and don't say it because we don't want copyright infringements. Good, I'm glad you don't remember.
I don't know.
We'll bring you back when this is turned into something you're going to wish you had a bowl of. All right, so 6 hours later, I've been busy. We're canning butter, so we're doing multiple videos today. This is our quarantine pantry soup. And I have not put any spices in this at all. It will need salt, but Andy's on a special no salt, so he can salt it in his bowl, but get in nice and close. Look at this.
Like, look at the beans.
Look at that.
Wow.
They're plump. The color has changed drastically. Check it out. Here's a dehydrated one next to a rehydrated one. Can you see that?
Wow. Big difference, eh?
And you can't tell the difference eating it.
Wow.
It's hot. I'm going to do a hot.
Hot.
Ready?
Okay.
Oh, it's hot.
Go ahead.
Can't tell.
No? Good, eh?
Tastes fresh. And so does
the taters.
Well, the potatoes for sure, but
Oh,
the carrots are unbelievable. I always had no faith in these when we first started doing it years back because look at the difference.
wow, they have a
Same cut, right? Like, you can't eat that. This, oh, the flavor. Every vegetable has retained its flavor. So,
bowl of soup for me, please.
What's that?
I'll take a bowl of soup, please.
You sure will. We started with the 2 pints of broth of your choice. Any, because so 2 pints would be 4 cups. That would be 1 box of store-bought broth if you don't have your own, okay? For the dehydrated vegetable, you saw, I didn't measure. I just, this much. And then we added 6 cups of water. That's it. We haven't added a thing to this. Like I said, we haven't added any spicing at all.
That looks good.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
There's the beans in there. There's the pork in there. Potatoes. There's onion. There's spinach. There's bok choy. I don't know. You're going to keep seeing different things in here. It's just amazing. So this is our
quarantine
pantry soup.
Pantry soup.
And it's, turn that off.
Let me smell that.
You want to smell that?
And even the meat. Well, that's good.
And I didn't need to put another bit of meat in there. It didn't cook away. It was all right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hot. It's good. Needs salt though, but yeah, it's good.
It's got a lot of flavor though, eh?
Does it ever?
Yeah. It's a good soup. And it cooked itself. All from
Hot.
pantry.
I'm going to let this cool down for a bit.
kidding. All from the pantry dehydrated stores. So there you go, guys. Get that dehydrated food working for you. Pull it out and invent. Just make your own flavors.
It's good, really good.
It is. Those beans just kick it. I love it. All right. So, thanks for joining us. Give us a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you later. You sneaking the salt in there?
There.
There we go. We got butter
That's not
on the
salt.
go here. I know. Okay, catch you all later. Have fun.
See you next video.